Hello everyone, welcome in. I've got a board here in front of me which I've purchased for a project that I'm going to do, which is basically I've been working on a customer's PC. You've actually seen that PC before. It was an HP 3500 system, and we cleaned it out, and I did say it was dying, and I'm showing me blowing it out and all the rest of it. You can see that fixing a PC, fixing a dead PC is something it's called. It's one of my videos there. So anyway, I bought this board. That PC finally died, by the way, and that's why this has come about. That PC finally died, and I decided that I was going to put it to rest and just do another system for the client. You know, that's what's within their budget. So anyway, I went out and I got this board here, but it was an Amazon return board. Okay, now I did open the box because I wanted to see whether the board had been used or not, and apparently it has, or it's been out. So the actual I/O shield and the SATA cable is still in the bags, unopened, brand new, not been opened, not been cut open. This, however, has been opened because it's not even the correct bag for it, and you can see how the bag's all wrinkled, and you can see where the pins off the surface of the board's actually penetrate the bag. So the bag has been opened. See, it's not even taped down, so you can see where it's been ripped off and everything. So what I want to do, yeah, is to actually inspect the socket, because don't forget this is an LGA socket, which means all the pins are in the grid array on the board. So if any of them are damaged, we could have problems. So I've got RAM and I've got CPU to test this board, but I want to make sure that the socket's damaged. If I see any pins that are bent or damaged, this board is going straight back. All I'm going to do is just create an RMA and send it back. So this will be a very short video if it is. So let's have a look at the socket. And let's go around it. It looks okay. Let's check that. I've got to get my torch because I need to see. And oh, look at that. So that's why it was RMA'd. We've got a bent pin here in this corner, and it seems like there's a pin over here that's slightly out of place. Looks like it's been trying to push back. So that there, I know why this has been sent back. Yes, it's definitely out of socket. Yeah, so I've got a pin array there that is out. So there's a pin bent in this socket. So this, my friend, I'm afraid, I'm sorry, the torch is glaring on the socket so you can't see it. If I move it off, it's too dark for you to see. There's no way I can get it to show, even though my webcam has got a light on it round it. That's what you can see there. I'll show you there. See, it's gone off now. See, that's the light on my webcam. Even though it's got a light on it, it's not good at showing up. You need to see this in the day, but the pin is there. You can just probably see it there, yeah? That pin there, that socket is damaged. So obviously that's why it's been sent back. So I am going to do the same. I'm returning it straight back. I'm not messing about. I purchased this and it arrived on Saturday, which was the 29th. So I've had it for 2 days. So I'm now going to raise an RMA with Amazon and send it back. Hopefully they've got a replacement. So very short video, lads, but that's one of the reasons why when you get stuff from Amazon warehouse, you don't leave lying around, because you've only got X number of days, 14 days or whatever it is. I think it's about. I think it's a month. I think you've got a couple of. I think you usually have a couple of months to return it. If I'm not wrong, hang on. Let me just check something. Guys. I'm just going to go onto my Amazon. I'm not going to bring it up on screen for you to see. I don't want you to see my account. I don't want you to see my personal stuff. I just want to check when I can return this thing. So we'll go on Amazon. Okay. And that's an awful. Yes. Okay, and this one is, I've got until the 28th of February, so I can return it. up to the 28th of February to return this, so it's going back today. Okay, I'm going to create an RMA now. It's usually done via a server. I get a label to print off. A courier will come and collect it, and as soon as I collect it, I should get my refund. So okay, so I've got to 28th of February. I'm going to do it now. So very short video, lads, but that's just so I'm just logging off of everything here. I'm just sorting out. So I wonder why my screen's so big. I'll have to look at that in a minute. Okay, so very short video. Yes, that socket's damaged. I'm sending it back. I'm not messing about with it. I'm not even going to try and attempt to put that pin back in place. So that's it. So I'll see you when the replacement comes, and we'll go through the process again. Hopefully they've got another one and send me a new one. When I ordered this, they didn't have any stock, but they had this. It showed on their website that they had a warehouse stock, so it was a couple of quid cheaper. But obviously that's why. So somebody's had this, opened it up, probably trying to put the socket, trying to put the CPU in, and either put the CPU in the wrong way and damage the pin, or drop something in the socket. But that socket is definitely damaged. It's like just one pin. It was like about 2 pins. There's one pin over here and there's a pin over there that's out of place. But I'm not messing about with it. It's going back. Bye for now. I'll see you guys. See you guys very soon.